Hi there. Today we are going to look at the new way CAMAssist handles hole making on non-planar and angular faces. Previously, CAMAssist might generate wall finish operations instead of hole making operations on holes located on freeform or angled geometry. With a recent update, we've improved this behavior. Now, CAMAssist will create a flat area in an angled or freeform face so that drills and spot drills will have a good contact surface and the tooling will not drift. In this example, you can see operations have been created for boring, spot drilling, and drilling. Let's send these operations to the CAM package to evaluate them further. Here in Mastercam, we can see how the hole-making operations have been created by CAMAssist. We do have some roughing and a wall pass, but then we have a set of shallow helical bore operations. These are intended to create a flat surface for spot drilling and drilling. With a stock model enabled, we can see this in more detail. Here is another stock model showing the spot drilling toolpath. This strategy sets up conditions for an in-spec finish for hole making into complex part surfaces. Let's have a look at the simulation. Looks pretty good. Here's a look at another example. Shown here is the result CAMAssist would produce prior to the update. The holes in this cast part are made with wall finishing operations, which might be acceptable, but we would prefer drilling for more effective material removal and tool life. It would also be better if we did not have to worry about tool deflection as the tool encounters a non-planar face. Check out some of our other videos if you are interested in using CAMAssist with cast or other in-process stock. For this example, we have a casting body that requires some finishing holes. This is a good case to show how CAMAssist's new strategy will shine. Because we know the stock is at the limits of the master model, we can dismiss this assessment stage feedback. Let's go to Prepare. Here, we are only going to set up hole-making operations, so we will go to the Advanced tab and uncheck everything else. Next, we will select our machine, material, and tool library. Now we can run CAMAssist. In other videos, we speed this process up, but this time we will just leave it to give you a sense of how long it actually takes. Let's check out the operations in the program view. We've got a number of boring operations that correspond to the number of holes on the part. Also, we have a spot drilling and drilling operation. Let's send the operations to CAM to continue. In Mastercam, we can see the operations. Again, the helical bore tool paths are intended to create a flat surface, perpendicular to the spindle to afford the drill and optional spot drill a reliable contact surface. Let's check that in the simulation. Here are the flat areas. These should be ideal for follow-on hole-making operations. And here are the drilling operations. We hope you find these new hole-making strategies for non-planar surfaces in CAMAssist helpful. If you found this video useful, please let us know by liking and subscribing to the CloudNC channel. We'll see you in the next one.